promises, callbacks in JavaScript. These are the concepts in JavaScript. Closure is a function that remembers the variable, its outer scope, even after the outer function is finished executing. The characteristics of the closure are they provide access variables in the outer scope of the functions even after the function has returned. They are often used to provide a private variables are maintained. Next, I am going to explain about promises. Promises in the promises are the JavaScript objects that represent the eventually completion of an asynchronous operation resulting values. The key states of the promises are pending, fulfill, reject. Pending, the initial state neither fulfill nor rejected. Fulfill, the operation is completed successfully and the promises have a value. Rejected, if the operation is failed and the promises are rejected. And next I am going to explain about the callback function. A callback is a function passes an argument to the another function and executed later, typically after some operations has completed. There are two types. They are callback call. When multiple asynchronous operations are nested, the code becomes difficult to read and maintain. This is known as callback call. Next, I am going to explain about the code. First of all, we define the to-do list function. Inside there is a variable called that stores all the to-do list items. We also define the storage method to manage this task. There adds a new task to the list. Mark as complete. Mark a task as completed based on the index overdue later. These tasks categorized based on the due dates. Next, to do display list formats the task into pointable stores which will use it to display. Next, adding a task, the pointing to the to-do list calls. Next, we add some tasks using add method. For this demo includes we have included random tasks like cleaning the garbages and buying the groceries, scheduling the doctor's appointment. Each task has the 3 points: title, due date, and completed. The task has a description, the date takes due, the flag indicating whether the task is done. Participate in the tasks. Highlighting the overdue, due dates, and due it later. These three functions are help us to categorize the task. Overdue returns the task due date. Due today returns the task or due today. Due later returns the due days after the today. Next, formatting the output highlighted. The display method formatting the task and string for displaying. It hides the data for task due to today and includes if the other task. This function marks the indicating whether the task is completed or not. And at last we are running the code. Show the button of the selection code explaining how output is generated at the end. I categorize the task overdue and format switch into the final output of the to-do list are by running the code node space to-do list.js, and we can find and showing the terminal output. Overdue tasks are listed, tasks due to date or without, and tasks due to are displayed at the due dates. Thank you.